So I recently read someone claiming that the Fujifilm 27mm f2.8 pancake lens, this little guy, is really noisy. In fact, the claim was that it made a horrendous grinding sound when focusing. So let's find out just how loud that is. Well, there's a small click sound when it focuses if it has to do a full throw from near to far, far to near. For close focusing, or for focusing between two subjects that are not that far apart, I only hear it if I'm listening for it. Let's try that one more time. So whatever that is, it's not a horrible grinding noise. Sorry.